Hi guys, lucky for you to click this video because this is going to be the best shrimp pasta you ever had. Thanks me later. Let's start. Let's boil some water with some salt and few drops of olive oil. We need shrimps. You need either white shrimp or tiger shrimp that has both head and skins on. Separate the head, then use a fork, push it through the shell, and then lift it up and take the black vein out, both sides. Then peel the skin off. Keep the heads and the skins and tail. They are the key ingredients of today's sauce. Rinse the shrimp and dry with this paper towel. Cut the shrimp meats into 2 or 3 pieces. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter is sizzling, saute the shrimps about a minute or 2. Then add garlic. If you have a fresh garlic, slice 2 cloves and add it. Otherwise, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Some pepper, no salt. We'll add later if it's necessary. Okay, take the shrimp out of the pan. Melt 1 more tablespoon of butter and scrape the brown bit with it. When the butter is all melted and sizzling, add heads and skins. Yes, you heard me, add heads and the skin. We are gonna cook it. Discard the liquid. Heads of shrimps are good. Trust me, they are sweet, they are full of flavor, they are almost nutty. That's why this pasta is fantastic. Turn the heat to low and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Tomato paste has strong sour flavor, so we are going to cook at low heat about 5 minutes to get rid of the sourness. I said low heat, but not like too low. Keep it like between low to mid-low so you can actually cook it. The heads and the skins are all coated with the tomato paste and they are red. Add 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk and let it simmer. While the sauce is simmering, cook the spaghetti. Take heads and skins out of the sauce. Make sure you get all the pieces. Add the shrimp meat back to the sauce with the garlic butter juice. Taste the sauce, add salt if it needs any, then let it simmer. When your sauce and spaghetti is ready, turn the heat off and add spaghetti. Then stir them together many times. Sprinkle fresh Italian parsley. And here it is. This spaghetti shrimp is fantastic. You really should try it. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top and enjoy it. The sauce is full of this unique, wonderful shrimp flavor. If you are a fan of shrimps, you will love this pasta. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next video.